Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Robux in Roblox Studio. So first, open the Roblox website. Then, click the Roblox tab. It's at the top of the Roblox page, to the left of the search bar. Click a Robux package deal. Click the number of Robux you want to buy. Then, select a payment method. The option is credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem Roblox card, or other. Now enter your payment details. Then click pay or submit order. It's the green button below your payment information. Once the payment is processed, Robux will be added to your account. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!